Hey, what is up, guys? Bush Viper Gaming here, and I bring you an episode of Risk of Rain. Let's get into it. As you can see, I have played this a lot, and I've unlocked most of the characters except for one of them, which is the scientist. And I'm just going to play it with a couple artifacts. I still haven't unlocked this one, but I'm going to play with the loader and two artifacts, and I'm going to go off on easy first. God damn it, stop moving, you little bastard. You know that moment when you actually start off the game and there's no other chests. Ah, you can't get me. Now I'm just gonna watch him die. I legitimately just took my hands right off my controls and I'm still moving. What the? Sorry I don't talk a lot, it's just when I game I don't really truly talk a lot, but as soon as I get a better headset I will. Wait, there was a chest up here. Where was it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? Where's it? There it is. It looks like I'm humping the rope. Recalling the YouTube video. Why? It's a game called Risk of Rain. It's a $30 game on Steam, but I have it for free.
Why is it so small?
Small? Oh, it's because I have it full screen, and also it's because, yeah, it's just one of those. It's pretty much a third person 2D game. Sorry they cut this YouTube video a little short, but I'm only doing a short one for today. But if you like the video, leave a like leave a like, give a thumbs up. If you like the video, if you want me to do more, comment down in the description. And as always, have a good day. Bush Viper out.